Hello world. Welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to convert any file or folder into ISO file. Before that, subscribe to this channel and press bell icon so you don't miss next video on ethical hacking and web application penetration. So let's start. First of all, open folder to ISO file. Link in description. Now select folder you want to convert. Now select output folder and give file name and save. Now click on generate ISO and sit back and relax. Process will automatically start. It will take some time, as per your CPU configuration. Thanks for watching this video. Hit like and subscribe to my channel for more ethical hacking and web application penetration testing video.